I am again unboxing a vintage nightgown set with covering, but I have two. One is with extra nightgowns and the other is only a set. So I don't know which one this is. I'm going to stop the video a little bit. Well, it's good that I opened it carefully. I just only began, but as you can see it's quite close under the surface, so I have to work very carefully. Okay, I opened it up wide enough, I think, to pull things out. But you can see from the colors, this is the set plus some extra nightgowns. The set is pretty heavy. Oh, some extras. We'll get back to that later. This is the belt. And here we are with the nightgown, as you can see. I hope you can see it a little bit, but I will model it for you. I must say it's a little bit shorter than the measurements they told me, so let's see how long it is with me. And this is then the dressing gown. Let's see, I hope you can see it. It's embroidery on it. I asked also for the centimeters in length because I'm 1.75 m and I want to have them decadently long. And according to the measurements of my favorite set, that should be about the shortest 135 centimeters. And according to the information I had, it was that, but it's definitely shorter. On the other hand, all those nightgowns, that's where you saw, were the combined price of about €7, including all costs of shipping, etc. So I'm not going to complain about that, but I don't think that set, when I like it on my body, will be my favorite set. But as I said, it should fit. I always check the centimeters. But then again, as you can see, centimeters and centimeters seem to differ a little bit, but I think I might fit that perfectly, so I'm not in doubt about that. I'm only in doubt about the length. Well, as I promised, I'm going to show you, model you this set, which I said in advance won't be my most popular set, but it is more in my size, so it looks more elegant than some other sets, because I don't want to take any risk in something not fitted, so I prefer a little bit larger than too small. Also because you're sleeping in it, so it has to be you have to be able to move. But as I said, it's shorter, but I must say it fits better, it comes more close to my natural shape than some of the other sets. So I'm keeping it, but it probably will be a summer, really summer set, because it wears like this. Oh, and if you enjoyed this video, please like or subscribe, and thank you for watching. Bye!